We are still here inside the BREN Convention Center in the city of San Fernando, probinsya ng Pampanga, for the continuing coverage of your Pampanga Inter-Municipalities-Cities Basketball Tournament, or better known as the Delta Cup of 2024. We are taking a look at one of the key players from the Pampanga Delta stable, the Tasmanian Devil himself, CJ Delfino, leading the charge for Level Up Lubao as they go up against the Apalit I Love It squad here in your third game of your Delta Cup 2024. It's a battle between the 3-1 Apalit I Love It going up against the 2-1 Level Up Lubao. Magandang hapon mo sa inyo lahat, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, all over the world, as we are live through the Facebook page of Pampanga PIO and also their YouTube channel, Pampanga PIO. And syempre, we are also simulcast live through the YouTube channel of Sinag Liga TV. Mapapanood niyo po lahat ng mga action natin through those three social media platforms as we take a look at our team standings. Nakikita nga natin, Apalit I Love It is there on the upper half of bracket A with 3-1, katabla ng Mabalacat City. Pero itong Level Up Lubao, a win here will put them up on that upper part of bracket A. Kaya aabangan natin yung magiging bakbakan nitong parehas na koponan. And for sure, CJ Delfino will be a marked man for Level Up Lubao. Habang ito namang sa Apalit I Love It, it is going to be a complete team effort for them to take home the victory. And now let's meet the starters for both squads. Let's turn it over to Ryan Paro for the callouts of the starters.
Continues here at the BREN Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga. Third game of our quadruple header for the 2023-24 Delta Cup Inter-Cities Municipalities Basketball Tournament. Our match at hand, it's gonna be Apalit I Love It versus Level Up Lubao. And now let's meet the starters first for Apalit I Love It. Small forward number 4, Jesse David. Power forward number 1, Ken Montalvo. Center number 22, Christian Silvestre. Point guard number 23, Lendel Garcia. And shooting guard number 3, Yuri Masiba. Head coach for Apalit I Love It, Zaldi Messina. Assisted by Edgar Pingo, Per Gardner, Robert Pereira, and Omelo Chenko. And now let's meet the starters for Level Up Lubao. Small forward number 24, John Zita. Power forward number 30, Hans Garcia. Center number 5, Vincent Sinker. Point guard number 10, Sean Lorico. And shooting guard number 22, Mark Manala. Head coach for Level Up Lubao, James De La Peña, assisted by Bert Viduya. Your referee in charge of this third game are Vince Isuga, Dennis Escaros, and Rudy Hill.
As the sound now be called out for Apalit I Love It, Silvestre, Montalvo, Dairit, Masibak, and Garcia. Para sa Lubao, Lorico, Manalang, Sinke, Zita, and Garcia. Yan po ang ating starters. as Dennis Escaros will lead the officiating crew para dito sa labanan na to. Let's start the ball rolling. Bakbakang palit. I love it. 3-1 record habang ito naman level up Lubao 2-1. Start the first quarter of action. Manalang para sa Tres. That is off the top.
Long level of court, the ball is going to be on the right side. And opponents will be on the left side of the court.
Teka lang. Ano ba to? Ano yung tawag dito? Let's double check.
White ball possession.
So the possession will stay with a palit. Mali yung tinirahan pala nito. Oh, that's a backward violation.
Possession for Lubao.
Kahit yung kabilang coach ko pala niya, nalito. What a way to start. Nagkabaliktad. So at least just to let the fans know, ano ba yung nangyari dito? Bakit niya ganun? Una muna tumira yung Lubao dito sa kabilang basket. That was supposed to be the basket of a palit. Now, nung nag-inbound naman dito, baliktad. Tumira, pinasa dun sa kabilang side na dapat naman basket ng Lubao. Okay? So, doon pala nagkamali na tayo. Sila parehas. So, ganun sila ka-excited kasi simulan itong laro. Ano pa na sila nalito? Kung saan? Pero yeah, na-sort na natin to. Zita tutungo sa free throw line. First one is no good. Kahit kami nagulat, nagtaka bakit ba napatay yung laro no? Yung first possession pa lang. Pero was cleared out and there, first point para kay Zita. 1-0 score. Pass to the right side. Inside. Manalang, fast break. This attempt to no avail. Garcia bringing down the ball. The shot, Garcia, no good. 1-0 pa rin tayo. Isang minuto nakakalipas na dito sa first quarter. Manalang. Pass. The shot. No good on the three. Rebounded here by Apalit. Pero naagaw ni Manalang. Manalang on the drive. Still no good. Montalvo the pass. Nice break in the basket there. Para dito kay Yuri Masibak. 2-1 the score. Pass inside, nice one. Gandang peke. Zita with the score. And that was a nice point by Lorico. The pass inside attack, and there's a foul. That will be called on number 30, Hans Garcia. That's foul number 1. And two shots here para kay Silvestre. The first one is short. Taking a look at Coach Zaldi Messina, head coach of Apalit I Love It. That shot to no avail. Manalang, binigay kay Zita. Zita moves in. Zita, the extra pass. And that's good. For Zinke. Score natin 5-2. Silvestre, basket was a foul.
Having foul number 22, Juan
Mark Manalang called for the foul. That's his first. 2 on level up Lubao. Substitution here. Pasok sa loob si Allen Danan para sa mga taga-Lubao. They go to the wing. Lorico moves in. The one-hander is good para kay Lorico. $7-5 the score. As Dairit gets the basket to go. Seven all the score. And a loose ball scramble na pulot dito ang Apalit. Pero Manalang gets the steal here. Manalang, the drive, the basket. Nine to 7 the score. Silvestre. Lorico with the steal. Lorico running it. Lorico fouled and he will shoot it. Foul is called there on Jesse Dairit, second personal niya. As you take a look at that drive to the basket mula dito kay Mark Manalang. As 2 free throws ibibigay dito kay Sean Lorico. First one is no good. Second one is also good for Lorico. As we take a look at the Tasmanian Devil himself, CJ Delfino, pinasok na dito. So expect na natin dito takbuhan. Lalaro ng Lubao. Nice spin move inside and that is a foul. Level up Lubao. Allen Danan called for his first. Tatlo na yan para sa level up Lubao. As Yuri Masibak will shoot 2 free throws here. First one is good. Second one. No good. Pero they still get the possession here. The drive. Nice drive. Para dito kay Montalvo. Pero to Noville. Takbuhan na naman tayo. Here. Delfino with the score. The Tasmanian Devil running here. A nice smothering block. Para dito. So, kay player number 35, Jordan Mariano. Ito, tumibilis na yung place natin dito. Garcia, the pass to Masibak. Balik kay Garcia, the double team is there. Masibak, moves in. Masibak, the shot is good. CJ Delfino, nicknamed as the Tasmanian Devil because of his speed. Manalang for 3, no good. That is last touch on Apalit.
13-second shot clock.
15-second shot clock. Fix it. Delfino. Moving inside. Delfino, the side, the pass, and there's a foul. This will be the 13th foul for Apalit. Ket Montalvo called for his first. 3 for Palit. I love it. Zita will shoot 2. As a free throw, second free throw is no good. May konting git-gitan. May foul.
Next foul on
And the foul is called on number 15.
14 foul,
Or JP Maglalang called for the foul, number 14. So that's his first 4 na yan. Para dito sa Palit, I love it. Garcia bringing it down. Garcia, the jumper. To Novell, rebound. Napulot. And the basket there from JP Maglalang. De La Cruz, balik kay Delfino. Delfino just using the clock here. De La Cruz fakes it, that's a travel. (13-12) the score. Garcia to Montalvo. The shot there, no good. The drive, Delfino. No good. Rebound scramble. Agawan. Napulot. Nangapalit. That's a steal there. De La Cruz with a layup. It's good. And De La Cruz makes it a 3-point lead for Level Up Lubao as they are leveling it here in the first quarter. The score, it's 15-12. Timeout on the floor. As we take a look at that replay before we head into the timeout, that teardrop falls in para kay Lubao. So again, timeout on the floor, 15-12. Let's take a look at that last play nito ni De La Cruz before we headed into the timeout, making it now a 3-point lead for Lubao. Mga nanonood sa atin sa Lubao, Pampanga, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Three minutes and 22 remaining here. Bringing down the ball now is CJ Delfino. The pass here at the corner. Lumapit, jumper, that's short. Rebounded, the basket there, and there will be a foul on Apalit. The foul will be called.
14 foul.
Sino ang natawagan ng foul doon? Jordan Mariano? And that's his first personal foul. The shot to no avail. Rebound recovered here. 7 seconds on the shot clock. Montalvo the drive. Shot clock at 2.7 seconds. Yun, no, last touch, tumama nga dun sa mukha kasi kanina, no? So, and that's a steal once again. Here's CJ Delfino. Delfino! Uy, almost there. That is a ball thrown out.
14 seconds shot clock.
De La Cruz for 3. That is too strong. Will go out. Two minutes and 20 remaining sa the first quarter. Drive inside, huli, pero may foul. Who's the foul on? Let's see.
Foul on number 29.
Allen Danan. Second personal foul on Allen Danan. Natitira ng dalawang free throws. Si Yuri Masibak. And syempre, shout out tayo muna sa mga nanonood sa atin through the Pampanga PIO page. Norlam de la Cruz Camaya, Tao Bautista Diwa, and June Silvestre. Sabi ni June Silvestre, go Insan Silvestre. That is talking about itong si Christian Silvestre of Apalit. I love it. Few substitutions. Delfino approaching 2-minute mark in the first. And that is stepping on the sideline. So this is somewhat like a low-scoring first quarter between these two top are on the upper half of the standings of bracket A. Pero tres yan para dito kay Khaled Macapagal. Nice find by Delfino to the open shooter pero wala yung tira doon. And loose ball scramble na pulot ng Apalit. And they are loving each games here, but that's a turnover. De La Cruz for 3. That's short. De La Cruz a sidestep. The pass. Uy, slow pro naman nun. That is a bad shot para kay Manalansan. And a timeout is called on the floor. Our score 17-50. Nanyayahan po namin kayong lahat na manood ng Sinag Lakas 40 Semifinals Game number 2 on January 28, Sunday over at the Malolo Sports and Convention Center. Unang laro po dyan, Taytay J Project kontra Tito Rex's Firewar. Second game natin, Santa Rosa Lion Saints kontra Malolos Republic. Tito Rex's Firewar and itong koponan ng Santa Rosa have a 1-game-to-none advantage in that best-of-3 semifinals match-up. Kaya po exciting na po ang mga laro dyan sa Sinag Lakas 40. That is a basket para ay Macapagal. The pass there, and that's a traveling. Right now, palitan pa rin ang tao dito for Apalit. They are loving what is happening here in the first quarter. The shot ni Camaya, that is short. Kamaya will call for a warning there. The shot there, no good. Delfino. Manalansan. The spin, the pass, the jumper. Jonovel. Manalansan takes it all by himself pero nahuli ng depensa na Apalit. Last shot time para sa Apalit. Let's see. Fast break. 5 seconds on the clock. Dizon has to make it. And it looks good. But let's see if they will count that. And they will count that. And what a way for it to go down. Let's see that last shot by Dizon with 1 second left on the clock. Naiangat pa nga niya yan. Clear na clear. That is basket. Good for Apalit. I love it. The score, it's 21-50. Don't forget to like and share the Pampanga PIO Facebook page and subscribe to the channel of the Pampanga PIO for more updates on your Delta Cup 2023. And syempre, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel of Sinag Lakas or Sinag Liga TV for more on the all the games ng inyong Delta Cup na napapalabas din po dyan. So, first quarter was, or the first quarter ended on a good run for Apalit. That's why they are loving everything from that first quarter. Let's see kung pagtutuloy-tuloy yan in the second quarter. Again, on the team standings, 3-1. Itong koponan ng Apalit, 2-1 naman to Lubao. Dizon, who hit that buzzer-beating shot to end the first, will shoot 2 here. At yung foul na yung kanina was called on Alendanan. Sa pangatlo na yun ay Alendanan. And that is last touch on Lubao.
13-second shot clock.
Inbound from the baseline. Nice spin. Huli nga lang, Nisita. Fast break, atake to Noville. Almost there, but that is turnover. Now substitution, binalik na si Lorico. The pass, huli, nakabalit. Apalit running. 3-on-2 fast break. Dizon, no good. Rebound, recovered here. And the shot still no good for Apalit. And look at the pesky gang rebounding here. Mirabel inside the score for the big man of Apalit. I love it. John Mirabel forcing a force to be reckoned with, as that is a foul there. Is it on Zita? Let's see. Let's take a look at that play one more time. Ayun, oo, si Zita nga tinulak on that drive.
Ladies and gentlemen, this last call will be under review.
And they will be reviewing that. Let's see kung bakit magre-review sila dito. Shout out kay Keanu Manalang, sabi ni L.A. Santos. Watch out po. No, shout out rather. Maghahalo-halo na natin yun dito. Shout out kay Kuya Boy by Teteng. Let's see what the call will be here. Is that or just a regular foul? Again, it's an 8-point lead now para dito sa Apalit. That's an offensive foul call. Shout out sa KLM Boys, sabi ni Kevin Villacorta. And also, go John Mirabel, sabi ni Jesse Buwan. So that call was on Zita, his first personal, second team foul on Lubao. Shout out sa mga tropa kong nanonood. Hindi raw siya isinama, Adrian Capistrano. Pwede ka pa naman humabol dito, Adrian. Meron pa tayong isang laro pagkatapos ito. And itong offensive foul naman bumawi ng foul. Offensive foul there.
Offensive foul number 23.
Kyle Kamhaya called for that. Let's see. Let's try to watch that on replay. Ooh. So the foul was called not on Kamaya but on Lendel Garcia. Yun nga, kita naman natin doon. We thought that it was on Kamaya pero itinawag on Garcia. The shot on the corner, that is a three-pointer para kay Franz de la Cruz. That is a drive, almost going in, but it goes out. As the foul will be called on CJ Delfino. That's his first. Tatlo na para sa Lubao. Two free throws here para kay Khaled Macapagal. First one is good. Shout out from San Luis, Pampanga, si Papang Bogs Carlos. Watching from India, sabi ni Daniel Alonso. So, also shout out daw sa UVP Team Armstrong Squad. Hindi raw sila nakanood dahil walang masakyan. Yes, dyan na lang po kayo sa inyo. At manood na naman po kayo through the Facebook page of the Pampanga PIO. And that is a traveling violation. That it goes out. 25-18 the score, 7-point lead still. Zaldi Messina taking a look there kung paano, ano pa kaya nilang gawin for them to just gain or just hold on to this upper hand. And that is almost a steal there. Kamaya gets the ball. Atake dito, that is a traveling violation. Substitution here. 7 minutes and 12 remaining here in the second quarter. The pass here inside. Zita inside for the score. Cutting down the lead to 5 para sa Lubao. 25-20. Garcia gets the ball. The pass. The shot from 3. No good, and De La Cruz gets the ball. We go down the other way. Scramble for the loose ball and jump ball tayo.
Jump ball. Possession for Lao. Possession for Lao. 8 seconds. Shot clock.
Now, 25-20, 6 minutes and 35 remaining. The shot is good para kay De La Cruz. Cutting down the lead to 2, 25-23. 6 minutes and 24 remaining here. The press is on. The pass, that's an 8-second backward violation. Substitutions here.
14 seconds. Shot clock.
Delfino. Balik dito. Manalang moves in. The 15-footer is good. And tabla na tayo sa 25. And a Palit will sue for timeout. Their lead has been down. And tabla nga tayo sa 25. Let's take a look at this last play here by Manalang. The 15-footer tying things up at 25. At itong Lubao Pampanga squad leveling up their ball game here in the second. And napatawag ng timeout ang Apalit. I love it. And there's a foul there on Manalang. Pangalawa na yan ni Manalang. Pang-apat naman para sa Lubao. Shot by Garcia. That's money. The shot from 3, no good. Fast break. Here comes a Palit. Torres, the pass. And nice basket there. Para dito kay Yuri Masiba. Score natin to 30-25, make that 30-27. Four minutes and 58 remaining here. Garcia, the teardrop, no good. Lorico, the fast break, agaw na naman. That attack. Atake na naman dito. Another basket para dito kay Yuri Masiba. Oh, CJ was fouled. Let's take a look at that drive by the Thomasian Devil. Oh, napadila pa siya dun. And smothered by the defense by Christian Silvestre. Sabi ni CJ Silvestre, wala yan. Didepensahan pa rin kita. CJ Delfino will shoot free throws here. Second one is good. (32-29) the score. Atake, basket counts. And the foul will be called on France de la Cruz. Let's take a look at that drive. Napakaganda naman nun. Naisingit pa yun ni Kent Montalvo. 34-29 the score. Free throw is good. Bonus. Balik sa animang kalamangan dito for a palit. Masibak. Scoring here. Good forward pass mula kay Christian Silvestre. Apunta dito kay Masibak at balik na naman sa 8 ang kalamangan ng Apalit. I love it. And they are loving each place. Just like this, Yuri Masibak scoring on the fast break. 37-29 the score. As you are now seeing the fans here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center, mga Kapampangan na gustong panoorin ang mga talento ng kapwa nilang mga Kapampangan dito po sa Delta Cup 2024 as they are supporting yung kanilang mga syudad dito. Kahit hindi naman kasyudad nila, basta gusto nilang makita yung future superstars of Pampanga basketball, and that is what yun ang vision talaga ni Governor Dennis Delta Pineda in having these kinds of ball games, lalo na ang laro ng basketball. Siyempre, alam natin si Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, a champion coach, rin a champion team creator, and napapatunayan naman yan sa mga liga na nilalaroan ng probinsya ng Pampanga. 3 minutes and 47 remaining here in the second quarter. Atake, CJ Delfino to no avail. Montalvo, the spin, the shot, and it's good. Balik sa 10 ang kalamangan dito. It's a 19-4 run. De la Cruz, the shot to no avail. Montalvo with a rebound. Masibak and Silvestre scores. Kanina tabla tayo sa 25. Ngayon, umalagwa na naman sila dito. 41-29. It's a 16-4 run. That's another steal by Apalit. Garcia to Silvestre, the big man. forcing his way. No good, but Montalvo still no good. And look at Silvestre muscling his way. Pero no good. Manalang with the recovery. And all alone for the basket is Matthew Manalansan. Balik sa 10 lamang. Torres was fouled there. Penalty na yan for Lubao as the foul will be called. You take a look at that last play, wide open itong si Manalansan. That last foul was called on the last foul was called on John Zita. That's his second personal. Silvestre, second free throw. The big man makes the free throw to go. 42-31. Shot is there's a foul there. I think they will be reviewing that. And I think the foul will be called on Manalang, pero re-reviewin nila yan. Let's take a look at that play once again. Yun o, napakapit kasi. Yung Manalang doon, but yun o, inipit din yung tuhod. Possible. They're reviewing it right now. Take a look at Mark Manalang of Level Up Lubao. Let's try to check it one more time on the instant replay system. The referee's checking on it. They have made the decision. That's an unsportsmanlike foul called on Mark Manalang.
Sportsmanlike foul on number 22, Mark Manalang. Trying to stop the progress of the play ball.
And now Garcia will be shooting two. Lendel Garcia. First one is good. 43-33. Zaldi Messina. Masaya yan. Sa nakikita na kayang sa tinatakbo ng kupunan niya. Dagdag mo pa na isa. 44-33 the score. Minute and 55 remaining here. Traveling. Minute and 51 remaining here before we call it a half. De La Cruz, the spin. The shot is good for De La Cruz. For Level Up Lubao. Garcia, the three. No good. Rebound by Zita. But there's a foul. Foul will be called on Christian Silvestre. Second personal. 13 foul para sa Apalit. Sa mga taga-Apalit, Pampanga. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Zita goes up, the pass, the shot. Masyadong malakas doon. Pero he recovers it and he makes it to go. Para kay Kevin Montemayor. 44-37 to fake. Silvestre to Novel. Second serving for Silvestre. Wala pa rin. Look at that hustle, rebounding. And recovered by Lubao. Fast break, Montemayor, extra pass. Si Jay Delfino, no. Second, wala pa rin. Nahuli. And fast break, Agawang Buko. And let's see what the call is. That's the jump ball. Alam mo yung parang yung buko sa yung larong piyesta eh. Hopefully we can get a replay of that. Pero parang yung buko sa piyesta, yung nakikipag-nag-aagawan. Ito muna yung una. Mintes ni CJ Delfino. Second attempt niya, nahuli ng depensa. And then kanina, yung agawang buko talaga. Yun yung literal agawang buko. As that is a 3 ball para dito kay Edmar Dizon. Making it once again a 10-point lead. Last shot time, possibly, for Lubao. They get the ball to CJ Delfino. Delfino contra Garcia. The pass. The attack. Extra pass to Mariano for the score. To close things out. Here in the second quarter, Jordan Mariano hitting that close shot. And that's why 47-39. Let's take a look at that one more time. Open Jordan Mariano. Mahaba pa yung oras dun. As we end our second quarter of action here in this matchup between Level Up Lubao and Apalit. I love it. It's 47-39, an 8-point advantage para dito sa Apalit I Love It here in the third game of Red Delta Cup 2024. Alvin Tañada on the call for this matchup as you take a look at the halftime highlights. It has been a terrific show para sa Apalit I Love It. But for the Level Up Lubao squad, sumusubok sila na unti-untiin pa rin itong lamang na to. And they even tied it up at 25 apiece. But bumuhos muli ang scoring para dito sa Apalit I Love It as the fans are loving it here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Our leading scorers. Let's take a look at the leading scorers of both squads. Well, you can take a look at CJ Delfino. Leading scorers natin dito. 13 na para kay Yuri Masibak, 12 naman para dito kay Franz de la Cruz for Lubao. They are leading the way for their respective squads. Delfino, nice! Fake pass, tinira, pumasok. 47-41 the score. And Garcia makes it an 8-point lead once again. Attack in the inside to no good. That pass too strong. Going to our dear fans dito sa loob ng BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Unti-unti na po na napupuno itong ating venue as we take a look at that jumper mula dito kay Lendel Garcia. And Apalit still on top here by 8. And the foul is called on JP Maglalang. Shout out kay Daryl San Diego mula kay Lawrence San Diego's Gatbunton. And syempre, another shout out kay kay RJ Galang. Watching from Sacramento, California, USA, June Galang Quiroz. Kita mo, hindi lang tayo pang Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Sabi nga natin in the introduction, all over the world. That is a foul on that drive. And let's take a look at this fast break. Delfino all alone. Franz de la Cruz will be called for the foul. That's his first. Nice break. Dizon who ended the quarter on a buzzer beater. 3.2 seconds remaining here. Garcia to fake the shot to no avail. (49-43) the score. 8 minutes and 30 remaining here. Delfino the attack, and he was fouled. Louis Masibak will be called for the foul. Two free throws here for CJ Delfino. First one for Delfino is to no good. That last foul is called on. Foul was called on Yuri Masibak. It's his first. The pass there, Dizon for the score. 51-43. Garcia moving it. Garcia's fouled, and the foul will be called on Kevin Montemayor on that drive. Let's take a look at this last play by Masibak. That extra pass to Dizon for the score. Now a Palit will be shooting free throws here. Garcia. First one is good. Shout out from Qatar, sabi ni Jan Abilyar. Also si Ronnie Ocampo, nanonood din mula sa Qatar. Ng mga nanonood sa atin through the Facebook page of the Pampanga PIO. Montemayor, the pass. Delfino for 3. No good. Here comes the Apalit. There is a foul. Franz de la Cruz will be called for his third personal foul.
13 foul. 15 seconds shot clock.
15-second shot clock. Rebound recovered here.
One shot, rebound.
53-45 the score. Shot by Garcia is good from 3-point distance. Seconds shot clock here. Angat na naman sa 11 ang mga Apalit. Babawi si Manala ng 3, no good. Rebound Montalvo, but he ran out of space.
14 seconds shot clock.
Inbound from the baseline. Pass here, Manalang. Manalang jumper from the baseline, still no good. That is out. Oras natin, 6 minutes and 21. 11 pa rin dito ang kalamangan. That's a traveling violation. Now bring down the basketball. Are the players from Lubao leveling up? Let's see if they would like to level up here as they are 2-1. That's a miss. A stick back, wala pa rin. Third time, still no good, but there's a foul. On Apalit. JP maglalangko for his third personal foul. 13 foul. And Kenneth Carolino shooting here. Sampu muli ang lamang dito. Silvestre inside, and that is a traveling. He moved his pivot. 56-46. Lorico uses the screen, the jumper, and he was fouled there. And that's a clear foul on Yuri Masibak.
Pushing foul on number 3, Yuri Masibak. Substitution for body.
For Yuri Masibak, that's his second personal foul.
14 foul.
Two free throws for Sean Lorico. Second free throw is no good. Rebounded here by Apalit. That's a steal here. CJ was fouled. Penalty situation, and the foul is on Carl Kamaya. First personal foul on Carl Kamaya. CJ Delfino, the first free throw is no good. Second for personal na pala yun, Carl Kamaya. The ball went under the stage. Mahirapan na ang mga referees dito. Ayun, lumos na yung bola. So Delfino, second free throw here. No good. Rebounded by Apalit. The pass. And now Garcia na tumakbo doon. Open from the corner. The three. No. Rebound by Apalit once again. Fresh 14 seconds. Montalvo. 6 seconds on the shot clock. There's an offensive foul called on Silvestre. Pangatlo na yan. The shot from the baseline, no good. Manalang gets the ball. Shot clock is still moving here. Montalvo, good defense, that's a traveling violation. Minutes and 14 remaining here. Garcia, the pass to Montalvo. Montalvo for three. That is a big shot by Montalvo. Shot naman, pambawi by Lorico. Sean Lorico getting that. Sean Lorico will be called for the foul. That's his first, 4th team foul. Let's take a look at that last shot by Montalvo. Hitting the 3 ball at pampawi naman ni Sean Lorico. Both players hanggang gusto pang mga angat pa dito for their respective squads as Silvestre misses the first. Second one. That is still no good. Rebounded by Lubao. 10 puntos ang kalamangan. Inside, De La Cruz, well defended. Manalang gets it. Manalang moves in. The pass, 4 seconds. The shot, good defense, but it trickles in para kay Zita. That is a traveling violation. Substitutions here. Rather, ito yung map, nagmamap lang ang floor. Shot. Wala yan. And the fast break here. Montalvo. Tapped out by Lorico.
19 seconds shot clock.
Inbound from the baseline here. Macapagal inbounding. Kamaya. Shot from 3. No good. The lead has been cut down to 8. Let's see if they can cut it down to 6 or even 5 on the 3. The drive, and there's a... That will be out. Timeout is called now by Level Up Lubao as the lead is still at 8 for Apalit. I love it. Let's take a look at the team standings para makita po ninyo nasaan ba yung mga kupunan ng mga sinusuportahan ninyo as our two teams. Apalit, I love it. With the win here, we'll go up to 4-1. Pero a win by Level Up Lubao will put them up with a tie with Mabalacat City at 3-1. So let's see where these two teams will fall. You can see Calaburan Santa Rita at 3-3. They won earlier in the ball game on bracket A, while for bracket B naman nanalo nga itong Bayong Masantol kanina. So they move up into the team standings with a 4-4 record. As we resume action here, let's see if Apalit, I love it, will get a victory here. Move up in the team standings. 61-51. They are looking good here at the 2 minute and 10 mark of the third. Manalang for 3. No good. Rebound. Macapagal. One hand. Kalawit rebound. Shot from 3. That is money for Carl Kamaya. Bakers doesn't lead here as the fans are starting to enjoy it and loving the game here. But sabi nga ni Franz de la Cruz, teka muna, kaya ba namin makahabol dito? Baba sa ang lamang sa 11. Loose ball. Recovered by Silvestre. 13 seconds shot now. That is a traveling violation. Nagchacha. Papuntang Apalit. Itong si Montalvo. Let's take a look at that last drive by Franz de la Cruz. Gandang drive. Walang paki sa depensa as he scores. Pero they need more of that for them to stage a comeback. 3 para kay Manalang. Wala yan. Rebound ni Macapagal. Kamaya now brings down the ball kontra Lorico. They better be careful. Both teams in the penalty. That is already a backcourt violation. Dizon, nahuli natin referee na nakaapak na doon. "54 seconds remaining here." De La Cruz. Looking to move in. The pass to Danan. Shot by Lorico. In and out. Rebound Montalvo. Last 31 seconds. Shot clock at 10. Dizon. The shot to no avail. Rebound in Dizon. There is a foul. Is it on Danan? That's on Danan. This is fourth personal foul. Free throw now for Dizon. First one is no good. Second one for Dizon. No good, but it's a lane violation. So Lubao gets possession here. Final shot here for Lubao. DJ Delfino. Wait lang. Now they will move it. But there's a foul. Foul will be called on John Mirabel. That's his first personal there. Now may free throws here para kay Matthew Manalansan. First one is good. Second one is still good. 2 for 2 on that trip. Last shot time here. Can they make one more? Montalvo throws it up, and that will end our third quarter of play. And the Apalit I Love It squad really loving their role here as CJ Delfino and the rest of the Level Up Lubao squad. Looking forward to a much better quarter for them to at least win this ball game. And good passes like that, yan ang kailangan ng kanilang koponan. Pero ito nga ang koponan ng Apalit I Love It. Looking good after 3 as they're on top, 64-55. As you take a look at Apalit I Love It member, that's Khaled Macapagal. Tahimik in this ball game, but the other intangibles, ginagawa naman niya. Kaya nga, lamang ang kanilang koponan, 64-55 as the fourth quarter nga nagsimula na dito. Montalvo, no good on that drive. Franz de la Cruz, the pass, natapik ni Macapagal.
19 seconds shot clock.
And again, the winner here will move in to the sa ating team standings. De La Cruz, the 3, that is money! And that cuts down the lead to 6, 64-58 Humahabol na ang level up Lubao. Kamaya gives it up. Makapagal on the drive to no avail. Dizon, the smallest man on the court, gets the ball and the stick back. Balik sa 8 ang Kalamangan. De La Cruz. The shot. And that will be out. (66-58) the score. Eight minutes and 50 remaining here in the fourth. The drive. Kamaya gets the ball. Kamaya inside and the basket for Carl Kamaya. Let's take a look at that replay once again. Naiwan niya si Sean Lorico and getting the 2 points for Apalit. I love it. Manalang checks back in for level up Lubao. Lamang na naman sa 10 dito ang Apalit. Going to add one more. And he does. Shot in Delfino, no good. And Apalit gets the ball back. Montalvo, double teamed. Gives it up to Makapagal. The pass. Kamaya. Andon at second serving para sa Apalit, but to no avail. There's a foul called on Dizon. First personal foul on Dizon. Sayang na oportunidad dyan para sa kanilang kupunan. Delfino moves in. Delfino. Labas. De La Cruz for 3. No good. Ball will stay with Lubao. Dizon now. Dizon steps up. We go to Dizon once again. Wow! Nice pass to Makapagal. Sayang yun. But he was fouled. Hindi na tayo magkarinigan. May pido na pala doon. Mark Manalang called for his 4th personal foul. Let's take a look at that. Nice high in the sky play to Makapagal. Sumapit nga lang si Manalang doon. As Makapagal will shoot the 2 free throws here. The lefty, the southpaw from Apalit, Pampanga makes the first. Second one. No good. Rebounded here by itong Lubao, Pampanga. De La Cruz. The attack. Delfino, one-hander. It trickles in. The drive ngayon. Kamaya with that one-hander. No good. And it goes in. The shot is good. Para kay Lorico. Ito, lumalayo na naman dito. Kumunan ng Apalit, another one, no good, and a stick back there. Para dito kay John Mirabel. Score natin, 74-63. Things getting exciting here. Dizon gets the ball. Dizon inside the drive, no good. De La Cruz to Delfino, one-hander, no good. Rebound, napulot pa rin Delfino. Delfino fouled, and the basket was the foul. John Mirabel called for his second personal. Second team foul there. Substitution here. Silvestre will check back in. That's good for CJ Delfino. That is no good. De La Cruz gets the ball. Almost there. 8-second backcourt pero naitawid agad. Delfino for the 3, no good. Montemayor. Nice sidestep. Nakahuli nga lang itong Apalit. Makapagal. And it will stay with the Apalit. Garcia says, teka lang. Garcia the pass. Silvestre the jumper, no good. Danan with the rebound. Atake dito, huli. And that's a traveling violation. Four minutes and 51 remaining here. Mukhang may correction lang. Silvestre lalabas muna. Mukhang may tama si Silvestre mula sa ilalim niyang baba.
Medics po, paki-asasa si Silvestre. May injury sa pagdulog sa neck.
So balik tayo sa action. Konti naman si Silvestre sa ilalim. May baba. Garcia gets the ball. Pass to Montalvo. Montalvo using the screen. Montalvo! The drive is good! 76-66 the score. Shot is good para kay Montemayor. Drive by Garcia, the pass. Montalvo kay Garcia. Garcia the drive, the basket, and the foul! And Apalit. The crowd here inside the venue. Score. Happy with that score. Let's take a look at that. Montalvo binigay dito kay Garcia. Garcia the drive, and De La Cruz. Nahuli na yun. Pang-apat na personal foul. And you can see the crowd now all up for that score for Apalit as they are really loving it here for their squad. 3 minutes and 55 remaining. Garcia, the free throw, no good on that bonus. Tres para ay Delfino. That is money. And Coach Zaldi Messina wants to talk it over as their lead has been cut down to 6 after that 3 ball by the Tasmanian Devil, CJ Delfino. Let's take a look at that. CJ all open from 3. Timeout on the floor, 78-72. And now you can see the fans here inside the venue of the BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Nakikita natin dito yung mga fans nag-enjoy nga dito. As, syempre, exciting nga naman to. It looks like another close ball game here in your Delta Cup 2024. And why not give it to the crowd of Pampanga for these kinds of ball games. And Macabebe scores inside, back to a 6 or an 8-point lead. De La Cruz, they are launching threes like there's no tomorrow, and they are making it. Baba alamang sa 5, 80-75. Garcia, well defended. Garcia the drive, no good. Rebound, recovered by Montalvo. Montalvo looks at the clock, 7 seconds on the shot clock. Montalvo needs to make it. The shot, reverse, no good, and recovered here by a pallet. Montalvo, the 3, no good. Still a chance for Lubao. Tres ni Delfino, no. 80-75 the score. Garcia says, let's settle it down. Garcia moves in. Garcia, the drive and the score. As we are about to enter the twilight zone, the last 2 minutes of this third game of your Thursday quadruple header. Zita na drive, nahuli ng depensa ni Macapagal. 8 seconds on the shot clock, 1 minute and 51 remaining. Inbound, De La Cruz. That is a steal. And Garcia says, we have the time on our side. Montemayor contra Garcia, one-on-one. Garcia, almost and-completed steal by Montemayor. Good defense, one-on-one defense there by Montemayor. Zita the pass, shot, no good on the 3, recovered by Lorico, and the pass inside, no good para kay CJ Delfino. Lorico, nahuli. Delfino, 3, no good, but that is, I think, last touch on Macapagal with 6 seconds on the shot clock. Still a 7-point lead. As Level Up Lubao calls for a timeout. It's 82-75. 6 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Let's see what Lubao will draw up after this timeout. You see the bench of Apalit. I love it. And they are just a minute and 12 remaining before getting into a 4-1 record in bracket A. Timeout situation, dalawa para sa Apalit, isa para sa Lubao. Team foul situation, dadalawa pa lamang para sa Apalit, tatlo na para sa Lubao. So there are fouls to give. You can see that on the bottom right side of your screen. The team foul situation. Tatlong pula para sa Lubao, dalawang pula para dito sa Apalit, and that is a miss rebounded by Montalvo. But look at the peskiness of Lubao. Manalang gives it up. Delfino for a three. Still no good. Zita with another rebound. De La Cruz, third time's a charm. Wala pa rin. And Silvestre was fouled. Let's take a look at that play. Once again, kita mo dinoble team. Nahirapan, and that was jump ball. There's no foul called. Lendel Garcia fouled by Manalang. Penalty. And for Mark Manalang, 5 fouls na siya, Mark Manalang. So Lendel Garcia, the stable point guard of Apalit, I love it, will shoot 2 here. And I think they're just waiting kung sinong papalit dito kay Manalang. And yes, they have replaced Manalang with Montemayor. 2 free throws for Lendel Garcia. First one is good. Garcia's second free throw is good. 2 for 2. $84-75. 3-possession ball game still. Pero numinipis na to para sa level up Lubao. 3, nahuli ni Montalvo. There is a foul called on Lubao. Rather, there's no foul there. And a timeout is called here by Apalit. And with 34.3 seconds remaining, 9-point lead na to. Timeout situation, both teams have 1 timeout remaining. But ulit, numinipis na yung oras para dito sa Lubao. As we see the fans now happy for their squad of Apalit. I love it. As you can see, the fans all smiles here. This is just the 3rd game. May isa pa tayong laro. The teams are preparing for the 4th game. That will be up next. Sabakan natin yung susunod na laro. As you see there, the fans, all smiles. 33 seconds remaining. Lendel Garcia fouled once again by Lorico. And Lendel Garcia will ice it up. Put the icing on the cake. Ika nga. First free throw is good. That will shut the door para dito sa Level Up Lubao. Second free throw for Lendel. Still good. 86-75. Lorico stands a steal, and Lendel Garcia will just dribble it out as a pallet. I love it. Will now move to 4-1 in the team standings. While for Level Up Lubao, they will fall down to 2-2. As this is already our final score, 86-75. What a ball game para dito sa Apalit. I love it. As we are just awaiting our player of the game. But congratulations to Apalit. As they will now move up to the team standings again with a 4-1 record sa bracket A, 86-75, our final score. As we are just awaiting our player of the game. And syempre, this player really was the catalyst of this run for Apalit. I love it. Who else but their main point guard? Who else? Lendel Garcia is our player of the game. At kasama natin yan, si Lendel Garcia. Lendel, first of all, congratulations for this win. This squad of Lubao, nakita natin na lumalaban sila all throughout the ball game, even though you were leading from the start. Ano yung pinag-usapan ninyo para hindi kayo bumitaw in this ball game, knowing that you will be on that upper bracket of bracket A?
First of all po, kasi bago po yung laban namin versus Lubao, talagang CJ Delfino po, scouted po talaga yan. Ibang level po kasi siya eh. And siya po talaga yung game plan namin, yung pinagandaan namin. And yung mga shooting sa outside po nila, mga 3 points din po talaga yung mga pinagandaan namin ngayong game. Buti na lang po, natapos po namin maganda.
Yeah, ang ganda na scouting report niyo. It showed in this ball game 20 points for you. Now, ang daming nanood dito mula sa Apalit Pampanga at syempre sa Facebook Live through the Pampanga PIO page. Go ahead and greet everyone that supports the Apalit I Love It squad.
Syempre po sa mga sumusuporta po sa Apalit, para po sa inyo to. And shoutout nga po pala sa mga lola ko nanonood po, sila Ete, si Yoyo po, si Mama Mila po, tsaka si Tatay Narciso po. And yung mga kaibigan ko po dyan. Yun lang po.
And once again, Lendel Garcia, congratulations for being named as our player of the game. Yes, go ahead, go ahead.
Sa DJ po, pagaling ka po. Yan po. Thank you.
All right, once again, congratulations, Lendel Garcia, our player of the game. And Apalit, I love it, moves to 4-1 in the team standings. 3 games down, 1 more to go in our Thursday quadruple header. Sa ating pagbabalik, it's going to be the Macabebe Warriors going up against the United Thomasian Boulders here in your Delta Cup 2024.